Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon, and instead of doing a tutorial, I thought it would be fun to show you all of the things that I've made these last few weeks, as well as do not really an unboxing because it's a bag, so a bag opening. I ordered a mystery bag from Mary Maxim, and I'm excited to see all of the yarn in the bag. I actually already saw it because there was a glitch in my first recording, so this is my second run through. So hopefully this one works out. I actually had opened the packing online and cut everything opened, and so now it's open and you'll see it for the first time, but it's gorgeous yarn. But getting to what I made, I am wearing these earrings. These are the sunflower pattern by Kristen Amdahl. And I'll link all of these patterns below in the description box, but these are her sunflower earrings. And I also made, these are I think they're the Dahlia earrings. I'm not 100% certain of the name. I will check and let you know, but they're so beautiful. I love these. I wear these a lot. And these are both crocheted, and then after I crocheted them, I blocked them and then sprayed it with Aleene's Stiff and Quick, and that's what's helping it to keep its shape. And then I made a couple of hats, and I know it's summertime, but I'm going to be doing some craft fairs in the fall, so I thought that I would get a head start on that. And this is a top to wear like over a tank top, or you could even wear it over a bathing suit. This is the Tiffany top made by Tiffany Hansen from Crochet with Tiffany Hansen. And this is her pattern. And again, I'll link it below. And this is also crochet. And then I have a subscription box to, it's called Yarnier from Vicki Howell. And the April, I think it was the April box, was the socks. So I'm wearing them. I didn't want to hold my feet up, but these are the socks that I made from that. And now let's get to the mystery bag. So I was actually really surprised. I didn't know that it came in this beautiful plastic bag. It was in just, you know, regular shipping bag. And they give you patterns along with the yarn. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's 3 skeins of this. This is Red Heart, and it's their Colorscape, and the color is Aquapolco. Here's from that view. And it's a number 4 medium weight. It's machine wash and dry, so that's really nice. And as I said, there's 3 skeins of this. And it is 100% acrylic. And I'm looking for the yardage. Here we go, 187 yards or 171 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. So that's beautiful. And then 3 balls of Mary Maxim yarn. It's Ultra Mellow Spun DK, and it's this beautiful teal color. And it is looking pretty close to the real color on my monitor, so hopefully that's what's coming across to you. It's dark teal, and it does have a color number, but it also does say dark teal. It's 174 yards or 160 meters, 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 50 grams or 1 3/4 ounces. Beautiful, beautiful color. And then 2 of this Fair Isle. It's called Liberty Chunky. Liberty Chunky, it's a number 5 bulky yarn. It's machine wash and dry. And did I say number 5 bulky? It's 100% acrylic, and you get 263 yards, 7 ounces, 240 meters, 200 grams. And I love purple, so this is awesome. And then there's 2 of this Premier Coffee Shop. I'm not familiar with this one either. And this is a number 3 light. And it's also machine wash, lay flat to dry, so this can't go in the dryer. 284 yards, 260 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. And it's 85% acrylic and 15% wool. And beautiful, beautiful color. The color is called Grand Canyon. And again, there's 2 of them. And then 3 balls of this Ultra Mellow Spun DK. Again, this is Mary Maxim. And this is called Periwinkle. Beautiful. It's 50 grams, 1 3/4 ounces, 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 174 yards or 160 meters. And let's see, washing instructions are inside the label. Let's see what it says. Ah, machine wash and dryable. Okay, awesome. That's great. And then 1 skein of this Knitting Fever Painted Mist, an Easy Care Self-Striping Modal blend, M-O-D-A-L, and it's 58% modal. I don't know what that is, and I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. If you know what that is, leave me a note in the description box. I mean, not in the description box. Leave me a note in the conversation text. It's 34% acrylic and 8% wool in addition to this modal, whatever that is. And it's 3.52 ounces, 100 grams, 273 yards, and 250 meters. And this is a number 2 fine. This is beautiful, beautiful color. And it's like a tube. I don't know if you can see that. It's really pretty, really cool looking. And it's really soft as well. And then there's this crazy hot pink yarn that is from another country. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. I'll show you the label. It does say Belle Day Home. And then pearl, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. 50 grams, 200 meters. And this is what that says. And then the color number is 72. But love that color. And then, oh, this has some sparkle to it. It's color 212, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins in here. This is actually when my camera died the last time, or glitched, or whatever it was that happened. And it's 30% mohair look, 40% silk look. I'm not sure what they mean by look. And then 30% premium acrylic, 50 grams, 350 meters. And then it gives you all the symbols for as far as washing and drying. But since it's mohair, I'm going to say, and silk, I'm going to say that this is probably hand wash. But it's a beautiful, beautiful grass green. And then it's this azure, maybe? And then it says Gina on the side with a J. And it's made in Turkey. And I think I said color 212. But see, it says mohair look. So I'm not sure what it means by that. And then the last thing in here, which I didn't get to before. Oh, and then they give you a card and you get a number. Each person has their own number, and they will be doing, they're at the end of the month, they're going to be doing a drawing. And if your number is called in the drawing, then you win a $100 gift card. So that's cool. That's good to know. Okay, so this is the only one that I didn't open on the first video. And this is another red heart. Wait, is this the same? Oh my gosh, this is the same as the other one. Okay, so it's another Aquapolco. So I have 6 skeins of this Aquapolco. Oh, cool. I wonder if I can make a sweater, if I have enough skeins to make a sweater with this. I think I should. And this is a number 4 medium. And it's machine wash and dry, so maybe I will make a sweater out of this since I have 6 of them now. And I probably can order more, although they might not be the same dye lot. Awesome. So that was the mystery bag, and then as I said, they gave you patterns. So there's a hat pattern, Lion Brand shawl pattern, pillow pattern, scarf pattern, and then dishcloth and basket set pattern. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So I hope you enjoyed this, something a little bit different, and I'd love to hear any of your suggestions and any videos that you would like me to do. Leave it down in the comment section. That's the word that I was looking for before, the comment section. And as I said, everything that I made that I showed you, I will leave in the description box. Oh, and I know I had shown this the last time. These are tape measures, and I just beaded the cover for the tape measure. And these are available in my Etsy shop, and I will link my Etsy shop as well in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, also known as a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.